Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to talk about how do we remember the place values of alphabets while solving coding, decoding or alphabet series. Yes, it is very important if you are going to attempting any exams like bank, POs, SSC, railways, RBI, SEBI, NABARD, RRB, IBPS and so many. There are so many questions are asked from coding, decoding, letter series, alphanumeric series, and so on. The basic requirement for all these topics is to know about the alphabets and their numbers and reverse alphabets. So today I am going to discuss the easy tricks to learn the ranks of letters, alphabet, the numbers, and reverse alphabets and their application in the reasoning ability questions. Usually what students do, they are going to write like this, and what they will do, they are going to write A to Z in the rough sheet in the final examinations and check the sheet for every question and every value for each question. So it takes a lot of time. You don't get that much time in the competitive exam, so I will suggest not to do that. Instead of that, there you can follow the tricks which I am going to discuss now, so that you can easily crack the exam. So in alphabet numbers are like this: A, B, C, D up to 26. Right? The alphabet, the reverse alphabets A to Z, B to Y, and C, X, D, W, E, V, F, U, G, T, H, S, I, R, J, Q, K, P, L, O, M, N. So now I am going to tell you how you have to remember with easy manner, with the picturization manner, or you can also have some word formats. See, the first four letters, there is no trick to required to learn them. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4. No need to have any tricks to remember A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then go by 5. So the letter comes E. No, the word you have to remember: AEJOTY, exoty. By learning this word, you can easily identify E means 5, all the multiplications of 5. 5 into 2, 10, 5 into 3, 15, 5 into 4, 20, and 5 into 5, 25. You can easily remember E5, HOT, J10, O15, T20, Y25. I'm also going to provide some other things also in this. Then go for F. F is 6. The number of X is 6. So, how you have to remember? Fix. F, fix, and 6. Both are similar nature, similar rhyming words. So, once you remember F, fix, then it will be the 6. And you can also learn it is a F for friends. This is a 6 letters word. So, by it is easy. You can remember fix means it is a 6. F means 6. Then G. See, G can be modified like this. In the one that is there in this pic, you can G will be written like this. G you can written like 7. So G7. Also you can remember G7 nations. G means 7. Then H. H looks like digital 8, which is showing the pic. How it is shown in the pic? It is H. H means 8. H looks like digital 8, so H means 8. Then 9. It is also the capital I, looks like 9. So if you remember capital I, you will come to know it is the number 9. I means 9. Then 10, you can go for the J10, it is a HOT. You can trick HOT game and HOT trick. You can use that word for the purpose of knowing the number value of J10. Or else, you can also remember J means in the playing card, it is a joker. Before joker, you will get 10. So, you can also remember J10. Then K. If you remember Kings 11 Punjab, K means 7, 11. K means 11. So the number value of K is 11. Kings 11 Punjab, K is for 11. Then 12. L sounds like a 12. Say L is 12. L is for 12. So L is 12. If you remember L means it is a 12. Then M. See, normally M if title looks like 3, as it is shown in the picture. M 3. So M is 13. Or you can also remember the middle of the alphabet. Total alphabet is 26. The middle of the alphabet is 13. M is middle of the alphabet. It is at 13. So M is 13. Then N. If you remember November 14, Children's Day, N is for 14. So November 14, Children's Day, N for 14. So if you find the place value of the N is 14, then O is, again you can go for the HOT trick. The multiplication of 5 is a 15, O 15. Then P, it is inverted, looks like a 6 as it is shown in the pic. So P is 16. If it go like this, P is, if it go inverted, it is a 6. So 16. P is 16. Then Q. It can be also written as a Q7. So it is a 17. Don't confuse with the G7 and Q7. 7. Q is never be 7. It never be 7. It is a 17. Q means 17. Then R. Right to vote at the age of 18. So R is for 18. Or you can also remember like in Hindi word Atara. Atara means 18. 18 is also pronounced as Atara, means R is pronouncing more times here. So Atara 18. 8 R is 18. Then S. S is a Unnis. Unnis means 19 in the word. So Unnis S. S is 19. Then T20 game, or also you can go for the HOT T20. If you remember the T20 game, T means 20. Then go for U. It looks like how it is shown in the picture, 21. Or also you can remember the US, United States of America. There are 21 letters. U is 21. Then we can find the number for V is 22. It's a victory. Two fingers, 22. So V meant for 22. The number value of the place value of V is 22. Then W. Again, how we are using the trick for M13, W23. You can easily come to know that. So 2 points on the bottom and 3 points on the top. 23. W is 23. Then go for X. X has a 4 legs, 24. You can also remember so many hospitals give X-rays. It is a 24 hours day. So X is 24. Then go for the Y. Y is 25. You can go for the HOT rule, HOT game. So HOT word, the Y is 25. Then Z. Z is 26 as it is a last letter. No need to remember. Obviously, we'll come to know that 26 alphabets are there. So the Z is the last word. It is a 26. Now, quickly, we will go for the reverse alphabets. A, Z, B, Y, C, X, D, W, E, V. How you have to remember? A to Z, right? So, if you remember A, Z means A to Z, we have to write the alphabet. So, A to Z, the first word. B, Y. How you have to remember by? If you identify by, if you know the word by, means by, you can identify it is a opposite words. CX. Normally, in the marketing, CX means customer experience. So, if you remember the C word and X word, if you easily remember CX, AZ, BY, CX, DW, don't worry. So, the reverse of D is W, don't worry. Then EV, electric vehicle. EV, electric vehicle. You can easily, if you know all these things now, you can easily crack all the competitive exams very yeah, easily. So what I'm trying to telling you here is you have to learn these tricks. A, Z, B, Y, C, X. How you have to remember if you identify the word? Don't worry, DW. Electric vehicle, EV. Then go for FU, for you. FU, for you. So FU, that is a reverse alphabet. Means then go for the GT, Grand Trunk Road. This is a GT road, GT. GT Express is also there, GT road. HS, handsome. Or SH, shh. So you can remember like that also. IR, Indian Railway. If you remember Indian Railway, IR is the opposite uh, letters. Then JQ, Jungle Queen. If you remember the word Jungle Queen, JQ, you can easily identify that. KP, Kevin Peterson, is a cricketer. KP, Kevin Peterson. The LO, life is okay, or love, LO. You can remember LO. MN, man. If you remember, MN means man. So if you remember the word MN, you can easily come to know all these things. So NMMNLOOL all you have to remember. If you remember one thing, you can easily come to know other things. So these are the things you have to remember. Then only you can crack the exam, any competitive exam for that matter, easily, and you will get good marks and good within fraction of seconds. You can solve all these alphabets and number series, and letter series, alphanumeric, coding, decoding, in various competitive exams. These are very useful. So don't miss these tricks while going for the competitive exams. You can, by regular practice of all these, regular seeing this video, you can easily win in your competitive examinations. Thank you, one and all.